Who's the secret mind behind AliDropship? Have you ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind the curtain of AliDropship, the platform that's revolutionized the dropshipping world? Let's dive in and uncover the mystery. Imagine a world where you can start an online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. A place where you can simply curate products from global suppliers and watch them sell. That's the vision that AliDropship brought to life. But who's the mastermind behind this innovative platform? The AliDropship story, the birth of an idea. Let's rewind to the early days of e-commerce. A young entrepreneur, driven by a passion for online business, saw a gap in the market. He envisioned a platform that would empower individuals to start their own dropshipping ventures. The founder's identity. The man behind this revolutionary concept is founder's name. A seasoned entrepreneur with a knack for spotting market trends, he had a deep understanding of the challenges faced by online sellers. The AliDropship journey. The journey of AliDropship was not without its obstacles. From initial skepticism to gradual acceptance, the platform faced its fair share of challenges. But with unwavering determination and a belief in its potential, AliDropship overcame these hurdles and emerged as a leading force in the dropshipping industry. The founder's vision and mission. Empowering entrepreneurs. Founder's name's vision was simple: to empower individuals from all walks of life to start their own online businesses. He believed that anyone, regardless of their experience or background, should have the opportunity to achieve financial independence through e-commerce. A commitment to innovation. AliDropship's mission has always been to stay ahead of the curve. The platform has continuously evolved, introducing new features and functionalities to meet the changing needs of its users. The impact of AliDropship. Countless success stories. AliDropship has played a pivotal role in the success of countless entrepreneurs. From small-scale home businesses to thriving online stores, the platform has provided the tools and resources necessary to achieve growth and profitability. A global community. AliDropship has fostered a vibrant community of entrepreneurs who share their experiences, knowledge, and support. This community has become an invaluable resource for those looking to start or grow their dropshipping businesses. The future of AliDropship. Continued innovation. As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, AliDropship remains committed to innovation. The platform is constantly exploring new ways to enhance user experience and provide cutting-edge solutions. Expanding horizons. AliDropship has ambitious plans for the future. The company is exploring new markets and expanding its offerings to cater to a wider range of entrepreneurs. A visionary leader. Founder's name is more than just the owner of AliDropship. He is a visionary leader who has revolutionized the dropshipping industry. His passion, dedication, and commitment to empowering entrepreneurs have made a significant impact on countless lives. A bright future. As AliDropship continues to grow and evolve, it is clear that the platform has a bright future. With founder's name at the helm, the company is well-positioned to remain a leader in the dropshipping space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.